Hey everyone! In this quick breakdown, we're comparing LNG and LPG and figuring out which one might be the better choice depending on your needs. We'll keep it simple and not too technical so you know exactly what matters. So, let's start with the basics. LNG means liquefied natural gas, and it's mostly methane. LPG means liquefied petroleum gas, usually propane or butane. They're both gases turned into liquids, but for, totally different reasons. Now, storage. LNG needs extremely low temperatures, like negative 160 degrees Celsius, to stay in liquid form. LPG is way easier. It just needs moderate pressure. That makes LPG storage cheaper and simpler. When it comes to energy output, LPG actually delivers more energy per kilogram. It burns hotter and gives you more usable heat. That's why it's the go-to for cooking, heating, and small appliances. Cost-wise, it really depends on where you live. In many areas, LNG is cheaper because natural gas pipelines already exist. LPG usually costs a bit more, but it's super convenient for remote places where pipelines can't reach. So, kind of a trade-off. For safety, both are heavily regulated, but there's a difference. LNG vapors disperse quickly because methane rises in air. LPG is heavier and can settle near the ground, so leaks need a bit more caution, especially indoors. So, which one is better? Honestly, it depends. If you want affordable fuel through a pipeline, LNG usually wins. If you need portable, high-energy fuel for cooking or heating, LPG is probably the better option. And yeah, that's a quick comparison. LNG and LPG both have their strengths, and the right choice just depends on how you plan to use them. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the description for more simple guides.